Dragon fruit Selenocereus undatus ice cream. The ingredients needed are 250 ml all-purpose cream, 90 grams sweetened condensed milk, and a 1/2 kilogram of dragon fruit. Let's proceed to the preparation of the dragon fruit. First, wash the dragon fruit. Afterwards, slice into 4 pieces and peel. And next, slice the dragon fruit into pieces. Pass through the blender. Then add sweetened condensed milk. Using electric mixer, mix all the all-purpose cream until it becomes fluffy and foamy. Mix the dragon fruit mixture and the foamy all-purpose cream until the flavor blend together. Put into a packaging cup and weight up to 150 grams. Pack and seal properly. Put into freezer 6 to 24 hours between -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperature extrusion of ice cream helps to improve the quality attribute of the final ice cream. It greatly influences the size of ice crystals and air bubbles and also improves the viscosity of the final ice cream. Use of low temperature reduces the microbial activity and enzyme activity, thus prolongs shelf life of the food.